This video will show you how to convert ISO file to MKV format. First, install and run Joyoshare Video Converter. Next, click the Add Files button to load ISO files. Or you can directly drag ISO files to the program. You can rename the file if you need it. Now, click the Format button. Choose High Speed Mode to convert ISO to MKV rapidly without quality loss. Pick up the MKV as output format. Click OK. If you want to edit the video, you can choose encoding mode. In this mode, you can customize file format and quality. You can select a format from Devices, HD Video, Web Video, General Video, General Audio. Click this small gear to change video parameters, like coded, resolution, frame rate, bit rate. Tap on the Edit button. In this new window, you can trim a video, adjust video, add effect, add watermark, embed subtitles, edit audio. If you don't need to edit the video, here we suggest choosing high speed mode. You can merge all files into one by checking this option. Now, you can press the Convert button to begin converting ISO to MKV. Click Converted to check the videos. In this tab, you can preview the video and take a snapshot.